my channel. So in today's video, I'm bringing you Valentine's #2 makeup look. So if you would like to see how I curated this sparkly glitter makeup look, just continue to watch. Okay guys, let's get started. So first product I'm using is the Juvia's Place Concealer in shade number 13. And I'm just going to take this concealer and apply it all over my eyelid area. The Aina palette and taking ginger color right here and just apply this in my crease area. Just blend it out. Just kind of move it up towards my eyebrow. Then to deepen it up, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. And I'm taking this pink color right here and just apply it in my crease area. I always like to start on the outer corner area and work my way in. Because if you start on the outer corner area, you have more pigment here and it gets lighter. Clean it up at the top part. I'm going back in with ginger and lightly go over it, so that way everything is blended together. So to deepen up the outer corner, I'm taking this color and apply it in the outer corner area. To deepen the outer corner up just a little bit more, I'm taking this dark, it's kind of like an eggplant matte purple color, and just apply it in the outer corner. Okay, and for the lid area, I'm going to take this color right here and just apply it on my lid. Going to add, let's see, this color right here on the lid area too. And to clean up my crease area so that way you don't have any harsh lines, I'm going back in with the same eyeshadow color, which is this color right here. Just go in between, just sweep that together. Then going back in with this dark eggplant color right here and just apply this on the outer corner. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm using a Fenty Beauty eyeliner liquid felt tip pencil, and because I'm black. I'm adding the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Glitter, which is called CatCall, on top of my lid. So Lilly Lashes and Mykonos. These are a little bit more dramatic. So for primer, I'm using the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Primer. And you really don't need a lot, and I actually put a lot on my face. Okay, and for foundation, I'm using a NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in shade MACAO. And to contour my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. And I'm just going to apply it in the contour areas and then take a brush and lightly blend it out. And for concealer, I'm using a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. once your concealer is lightly blended out, just take the end of your beauty blender and just lightly blend out the edges. To set my concealer into place, I'm using the Mercier setting powder in Honey. And then on top of it, I'm adding the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Finish Powder in Y405. And I'm just lightly applying the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Finish on top of the Mercier setting powder. To add just a little bit more depth or definition to my face, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Contour Powder in Deep. For a highlighter, I'm using the Cover FX highlighter in Candlelight Glow. For blush, I'm using MAC Coppertone blush. I'm just adding to the apple part of my cheek just for a natural pop of color. For eyeliner pencil, I'm using Fenty Beauty because I'm black. Okay guys, so for the inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and just apply this eyeshadow right here. Focus. In the inner corner. So for the lipsticks, for the lips, I'm going to go ahead and use MAC Cork and MAC Chestnut. And I'm taking MAC Nude De Jour, which is kind of like a pinkish purple color. For lip gloss, I'm using NARS Couture lip gloss in Sugar Baby. Okay, and last product, I'm using Beauty Bakerie setting spray just to finish off my makeup. Okay guys, this pretty much completes my look. Everything came out really good besides my seasonal allergies. My eyes continue to water. But besides that, everything came out really good. I enjoyed this makeup look. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you made it this far in my video. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.